Jacking up my 350Z from the rear end, because this is quite frankly most possibly the scariest thing I've done in my life. Look at this. Y'all see this? Goodness, look at that. It's like a whole, that's like a lot of distance right here. And if y'all have a 350Z, it's probably because y'all are just getting into cars and you don't know how to do all this stuff yet. So that's why I'm here to teach y'all, because I'm the same as you. This is my first time jacking up a car by myself, or at all for that matter. Okay, so what you do is you get one of these bad boys. It's called a jack, and you get two of these, that one and that one. Those are called jack stands. So you got your jack and your jack stands, and that's about all you need for this. And this one over there, one over there, little teeny weeny piece of wood. It'll help you. You drive onto it to give it about an inch off the ground to help to give this more space to slide under like that. Y'all know what I mean? Okay, enough talking. Let's get into the mechanics of this. This right here, you can twist it to the right and to the left. To put it up, you twist it all the way to the right, all the way to the right. See, like all the way to the right, and then you push it down and up and up, down and up, and it'll go up. And to bring it down, you twist it to the left, but just a little bit, like barely any. That way it goes down slow. Because if you twist it all the way to the left, it'll just pow. Oh shit! It'll just go all the way down, and that won't be good. It won't be bad, but it won't be good, because then the car will fall. It won't be good. Don't do that, okay? Looky here. Are y'all looking? I am all the way under the car. If it falls, I die, but it's not gonna fall because I did it safely, and you will too after this video. Okay, y'all see this? That red thing is a jack. See, that's a jack. And this, oh gosh, where am I? Okay. And this right here is the differential cover. Do not put the jack on here because it'll break this, because this is aluminum. And this over here, that black, brown, ugly part, that is steel. Nothing will happen to that over there. So put your jack on the steel. Do not put it on the cover. Put it on the diff, on the actual diff, not the cover. Over there, okay? So just make sure you do this and you'll be good. You won't break your cover. It'll be safe. Oh gosh, look at this. Oh, yeah. What is this? Yo, my car's a Nissan. Okay, nice. Stepping up in the world. And now for these jack stands, these little thingies back here. You put these, because if that fails, it'll fall on these and it won't kill you, because the car won't fall on top of you, because these will hold it up. And then this, if you pull this up, it'll just fall down. This, the black thing, it'll come down, and then you can just pull it up and adjust it to the height that you need. And that's about it. And where to put it, okay, looky here. Okay, there's the wheel, no, the tire. There's the tire, and then you come back about 8 inches, and you put it right here. Next to this hole, right here. Not on the black thing, but on here, on the steel. You're supposed to put it over here, but I don't trust that. See, this is where the last owner would put it. Look at that, it makes it look ugly, and I don't trust that. So put it over here. But do your own research, because if you die, it is not my problem. But you're not gonna die, because this is the safest way to do it. And then you do the same on that side. I had to lift mine up because apparently my brother said that one of my wheel bearings was going bad, but apparently not, because I don't think so. Because like Chris Fix-It told me to move it this way and then this way, and see, it has no play. So this side is good. Some more advice for when y'all are jacking up your car. It's gonna make a lot of scary sounds, so just go nice and easy and slow, and just keep an eye on your cover. Make sure you're not getting it, and go very nice and slow. And now I gotta bring it back down, which I've never done that. I guess I can show y'all how to do that. Yeah, I'll show y'all how to do that, because I've never done that, because I've never lifted it up, so I've never lifted it down either. So okay, so to do that, we're just gonna reverse engineer. Okay, so to get these down, you pull this up or down, and it'll go down. And then just pull it out. Okay, always pull out. Not that that would apply to me, because I don't engage in that type of stuff. That is very unholy stuff. Okay, you know what? Maybe I did it once, but never again. Okay, and then you pull this down. Gosh, where's the light? Okay. Why is it so dim all of a sudden? Okay, then you pull it out again. I didn't pull out though. Okay, what are we talking about? And then over here, oh, here's the scary part. Oh goodness, I practiced it before putting it in. Here's the handle. Twist it to the left. Just a little bit, barely any. Look, I'm barely gonna twist it to the left. Come on, do something. Okay, it's still not moving. Just a little bit more. Okay, I need both hands for this. Put y'all right here. Oh gosh, do not do that. Jeez Louise. Well, it came out safely. No damage, so that's good. But okay, see, you know what? I did that on purpose to show y'all what not to do. And now you just twist it more, make it go all the way to the floor. Okay, now it's all the way down. Oh, now it comes down slowly. Pull it out. Okay, bye bye. I gotta go now.